Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to change your region in Roblox. So for this, we go to Roblox and all we need to do is scroll down a bit. Click on Help, click on Roblox account, select any tab here, scroll down and select Need More Help. Yes, so contact support here or account location. There's also this tab. So normally Roblox automatically tracks right? More precisely, well, it automatically sets your country, yes, depending on which country you logged into your account from there. But if for some reason it didn't change automatically, yes, the country or, well, the region, then click Need More Help, Contact Support here. That is Need More Help, Contact Support. Here, enter your username, then enter your name, then the email address where the response will be sent. Choose which device you played on most. For me, it's PC. And so we need here. Okay. Technical support. More likely it'll be this one. And so here we select specific experience usage. The same person will answer overall. And here we write, I would like to. Your country, region, and so on. Enter it here. There. And so please write, change the region in my account. Or you can write, please update the location in my account, then click the continue button, after which you submit the ticket and you'll get a response. This was with you. See you all later.